Safer Together is a community-based initiative. It is the police working with the district crime prevention officers on the ground, working with the community to co-design something that is particular to their area. So it looks at what their concerns are, what sort of messaging they need, tap into what sort of crime that they're concerned with.
In order to reach the community in those places, we talk to the officers, we talk to lots of stakeholders, Neighbourhood Watch, Crime Stoppers, the council. First, we'll probably run a community online survey that will help us measure perceptions of fear and trust. But then to get the granular, more personal aspects, we actually organise those face-to-face workshops.
Within the Safer Together program, the team have developed 30 different resources across 11 different topics. One of the most popular ones that we found that we delivered in Toowoomba was the fraud topic, which was delivered by our detectives at Financial and Cybercrime, and that was really well received. At the end of the presentation, the survey showed that 94% of them were going to change their behaviours online in relation to their financial safety and cyber safety. So it was a really good result.
From developing the Safer Together initiative, we learned that there was also this need to develop the Community Safety Champions program. People requested bottom-up messaging, they wanted to participate. So that's when we then developed that 8-week training module for the champions, we call them. So we leave the area with that ongoing capacity for people to continue sharing the messaging.
So into the future, we are looking at going into different districts where there's a need to ensure that we have a bigger reach and can share that community safety messaging throughout the state. Being awarded the Australian Crime and Violence Prevention Award means a lot to the team. It was about that coordinated approach and that community approach. It is just so good to see their hard work celebrated.